It's time for the Intense 5. Let's go. Kanye is at it again. His behavior keeps just getting stranger.
1865, the 13th Amendment stated that no man is destined to slavery or involuntary servitude unless convicted of a crime. This translates to, in order to make a freed man a slave, all you have to do is convict them of a crime.
From wearing a Make America Great Again cap to wanting amendments abolished, wonder what's next.
Our prayers go out to Indonesia. First an earthquake, then a tsunami, now a volcanic eruption. No man, I feel it for them.
Serena Williams goes topless for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. It's an interesting post, and even though she says it was out of her comfort zone, she had to support the cause.
Dancehall princess Shensia hits 1 million followers on her birthday. What a sweet gift. Happy belated birthday, girl.
Woohoo! And finally holding the spot this week, Cardi B was arrested, charged, and released following a brawl in a strip club. Cardi and her friends were throwing bottles, hookahs, and they hurt a few people in the process. Not cool, Cardi.
Can take the girl out the hood, but
Oh,
you can't
boy.
take the hood out the girl.
Oh, boy. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at TVJ Intense.